Boogie says there's trouble close at hand. You better...
Welcome back, friends. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 HalloweenCostumes.com exclusive Christmas animatronics with a terrifying twist. Think you can guess each character just by their scary sound? From Annabelle to Oogie Boogie, from Pennywise to Slimer, some of these Christmas creeps will fool even the experts. Give yourself 1 point for every correct guess, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your final score at the end. Stay all the way through. The final animatronic reveal is the most chilling gift under the tree. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with our famous emoji shuffle game. Only 1% of player comments say they guessed right. Are you one of them? Comment before time runs out. Amazing. The correct answer is in box A. Which animatronic is this?
Do you not see where you walk?
Excellent. It's Ghastly Gravedigger.
Do you not see where you walk? These hallowed grounds.
Can you guess the name of this terrifying animatronic? Precisely. It's Leatherface. Would you rather pick Pennywise Clown? Or would you rather pick Freddy Krueger?
You think you was gonna get away from me? I'm gonna...
Smash that like button for Team Pennywise Clown, or drop a comment for Team Freddy Krueger. Can you guess this scary animatronic? Outstanding! It's the Nun. Do you know which animatronic this is?
There are few who deny it. What I do, I am the best for my...
Terrific! It's Jack Skellington.
There are few who deny it. What I do, I am the best for my talents are renowned far...
Drop the animatronic in the right spot. Subscribe to our channel if you drop it in the right spot. Who is this animatronic? Brilliant! It's Ghostbusters Slimer. Do you know the sound of this animatronic? Spot on. It's Killer Clown Spiky. Next round, guess the animatronic? Amazing! It's the Nun. Can you guess the name of this terrifying animatronic? Fabulous! It's Pennywise Clown. Do you recognize the sound of the animatronic? Correct. The answer is Annabelle Doll. Would you rather pick Oogie Hoogie?
Mr. Hoogie says there's trouble close at hand. You better pay.
Or would you rather pick Dr. Finkelstein?
Sally, that soup ready yet?
Smash that like button for Team Oogie Hoogie or drop a comment for Team Dr. Finkelstein. Which animatronic does this shadow remind you of?
You think you was gonna get away from me? I'm gonna...
Indeed, it's Freddy Krueger.
You think you was gonna get away from me? I'm gonna eat you up.
Which animatronic is this? Nailed it! It's Killer Clown's Rudy. Next round, find the odd one out before time runs out. Subscribe to our channel if you guessed it correctly. Can you guess the name of this terrifying animatronic?
Let us join forever.
Superb! It's Mary, the unhappily ever after.
Join forever. Even up.
Can you guess this scary animatronic?
Sally, that soup ready yet?
Magnificent! It's Dr. Finkelstein.
Sally, that soup ready yet? You're mine, you know.
Let's test your memory. Memorize the position of these 6 animatronic characters. Where is Pennywise Clown hiding? The correct answer is box 6. Do you know which animatronic this is? You got it. It's Ghostbusters Terror Dog. Who is this animatronic?
Meat for the feast. Hook, chain, and...
Sensational! It's Ripsaw.
Hook, chain, and blade with our fist. Make way. You're free.
Reflex challenge. Tap on Brick Thunder Candy Cane Eyes before time runs out. Time's up. Let us know and comment below how close you got. Do you know the sound of this animatronic?
Instead of smiles, I leave frowns.
Remarkable. It's Brick Thunder Candy Cane.
I leave frowns, although this candy tastes so sweet.
Can you guess the name of this terrifying animatronic?
Hoogie says there's trouble close at hand. You better pay.
Exactly, right. It's Oogie Boogie.
Mr. Hoogie says there's trouble close at hand. You better pay attention now, 'cause I'm...
Do you recognize the sound of the animatronic?
There you are, cowering before me. It is time to give up.
Bravo! It's Reaper's Ride.
There you are, cowering before me. It is time to give up that pathetic soul.
Which animatronic does this shadow remind you of? Flawless! It's Tricycle Doll. Do you know the sound of this animatronic?
Mr. Grinch, you really...
Amazing! It's Grinch Santa.
As a cactus, you're as charming as any, Mr. Grinch. You're a...
That's a wrap. How many did you guess right? Let us know in the comments. More epic games are coming soon, so remember to like, hype this video, and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.